Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Marilyn. Do we have any audio on this, more or less? Less? Yes. Okay, thanks. Good morning, everyone. This is Marilyn, and it is time for the morning edition of Welcome to My World. It's 8:30 on the 26th of January, which is a Tuesday. And my goodness, when you look at all these markets overnight, they certainly have been busy. We've had a lot of volatility in virtually everything. Um, this is all very interesting. We have no economic scheduled numbers coming out this morning at 8:30, which we usually do, or most days we do. 9 o'clock today we'll have a little bit of U.S. news. 10 o'clock, the biggest news is going to be the consumer confidence numbers, and then we have Richmond manufacturing at 10 also. But when you see this kind of volatility, I know I've mentioned this before, but this is if you are going to trade these markets, it's absolutely imperative that you pay attention to what's going on economically all over the world. China they had a huge sell-off in their stock market overnight, and the Chinese investors are very concerned about the value of their currency, while their government says, oh no, we wouldn't devalue it anymore. Yeah, right. But these markets are so interrelated, and it's almost like a virus starts someplace and it will spread around the world very, very quickly. So try to pay attention and get yourself oriented, especially if you are not used to seeing this and you bring up all your charts in the morning and it's like, oh my goodness, look at all this. You need to stop and figure out what's going on before you jump into any trades. So that, coupled with today and tomorrow in the U.S., the Brain Trust is meeting, and tomorrow at 2 o'clock, FOMAC will make an announcement. If you recall, in December, they raised the interest rates. And when that announcement day was, I mentioned in the morning to best stay in demo unless you were a very experienced trader. And about noon or 1 o'clock, Daryl posted a big sign in the chat to exercise extreme caution with the 2 o'clock announcement coming. That will occur tomorrow, so you might want to, get that on your radar for tomorrow. They have indicated that they might raise the interest rates again in March, but that was before they figured out the stock market was down, 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 and down. So we'll see how they respond to this. These markets do not like indecision, and this is kind of what's happening right now. It's, oh my goodness, what are the Chinese going to do? And oh my goodness, what's the U.S. going to do? And then this Drahi character is he's making noises about doing another quantitative easing. I love that term, in Europe, which will continue to give Europe more of the same. So anyway, this is where the real value of Apex comes into your trading. Just pay attention to your charts and trade what you see. Don't buy into the macro picture. You need to be aware of it, but don't use that to trade with, because things change when it's this volatile. Yesterday, the VIX closed at 24.15, which is kind of unchanged. We'll see how that pans out this morning. But anyway, I also, just in case you're wondering, down here, right down here on this 10-minute chart, I put a great big black line, and this is, what is this, 27.55-ish, because that is the low. If crude oil should break that, it will likely go on lower. But right now, it seems to be recovering from overnight and yesterday. So anyway, the Canadian dollar is up significantly, as is the Aussie dollar. Gold is trying to trend up, and bonds have really fallen off. So there might be some opportunities. My bond chart, I use a 6-tick, is got green apexes on it, but that's just from the last little bit. That may, it's about to test the low, and that may turn around. So anyway, trade what you see, and this is a really good trading time, because if you recall, in August, we all sat here watching a lot of paint dry because there was no volatility. And this is the opposite. So have a wonderful day. I will come back at noon, and we'll talk about what trades we have had, and there should be plenty of nice ones today. So I'll see you at noon. This has been my view from my world in Apex Land, brought to you by Apex Investing. Thanks.